Sure. Okay. Wednesday, we're going to do tree diagrams and then something else if we have time. Homework is all to prepare you for your map test. And Evelyn has requested a quiz tomorrow, so okay.
Evelyn!
I know, but then I'm like, ooh, I misspoke.
Mr. Sussman. Really? I like that name.
Oh, wait. I think we're going to start on our packet, right? Por favor. Okay, we did tree diagrams, started tree diagrams yesterday. Let's continue with page 13. Everybody, page 13. Página 13, por favor. Please, please, please. With your well-organized binders. Muy bonito.
What?
That's my doctor.
What's your guys' doctor's name?
What? I have like a Dr.
Alright. That's cool. Yay, doctor. Okay, we ready? Are we all there? Yeah. Okay. So, no, we're focusing on this, not the iPad. Okay.
Dr. Hahn.
Example 8. We're going to go from the bottom up. An Italian restaurant sells small, medium, and large pizzas. You can choose either pan or hand-tossed. There are 3 toppings to choose from: pepperoni, sausage, and extra cheese. Draw a tree diagram to find the probability of ordering a medium pan pepperoni pizza. Okay. All right. So you go in order. So what are the first choices they gave us in order? Size.
Small.
So start with the vertex. Then we draw a ray for small, a ray for medium, and then a ray for large. Make sure you spread them out because there's a lot of choices here.
Never mind.
All right.
Redo it.
Okay. Then what are my second choices in order? Pan or hand toss. So you can do a pan or hand. I can abbreviate with P for pan and H for hand. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the medium can also have a pan or hand toss. Huh?
I want to go to Denny's.
Crust. Some crusts are thicker and some crusts are thinner.
Favorite parents of
Okay, what comes after the type of pizza? The toppings. How many toppings did we have?
Pepperoni, sausage, and extra cheese.
Okay, so then each of these have how many rays? 3. Pepperoni, sausage, cheese. Okay. Sorry, Gun, what's up?
It's Guatemala.
Oh.
Pepperoni, sausage, cheese. So now each of these branches, pepperoni, sausage, cheese. Pepperoni, sausage, cheese. Pepperoni, sausage, cheese. You do you. As long as you can read each of the branches. Yes.
Do you know if how long Denny's stays open?
Denny's?
So like you could go eat breakfast there at like 2 p.m.
What are these questions?
Yeah, let's refocus on this because it's going to be on the map. Okay, so here we go. How do I determine what is the total outcomes.
Count the end.
Count the ends, right? Your branches. So 18. Now, how can I do it without actually doing the tree? The shortcut. The shortcut is you take all of your choices. So how many choices did we have at the beginning? 3. How many choices did we have second round? 2. And how many choices did we have the third round? 3. Okay, what's 3 times 2?
6.
Times 3? 18. You would do the shortcut if the question is how many choices do you have? How many different combinations do you have? I have 18 different combination pizzas. Okay? But that might be level 1, like how many combinations. Now, a next level would be, okay, what's the probability, so P for probability, what's the probability that my pizza will be the size median? Okay, so how many of the 18 choices, includes a medium pizza?
3. 6. Yeah, 6.
6 is the correct answer. Okay, so why not? Okay, so this is medium pan pepperoni, that's 1. Medium pan sausage, 2. Medium pan cheese, that's 3. I can do medium hand pepperoni. I could do medium hand sausage, medium hand cheese. So that would be 6 out of 18. So I go here, and this does not mean 1, right? It's all of these n branches, okay? All of these n branches. Okay, what's the probability that I'll get cheese? Extra cheese. Because I guess all pizzas supposedly come with cheese. What's the probability of getting extra cheese? How many pizzas have extra cheese?
6.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? All of these that have a C on it have extra cheese, right? So again, 6 out of 18. Does that make sense? Okay, now the hard one would be, what's the probability that I will get a sausage tossed crust? What's the probability of sausage tossed crust?
Which one's a tossed crust? It's the
Hand tossed, sorry. Hand tossed crust. Love the kids who are staring and not writing this down. Love those kids. Love them. Love
What
them.
that would be for, right?
I don't know.
1 of 18.
So, let's see. Did I specify size? No. So, let's see. Hand sausage, right there. So that's 1, right? Hand sausage, that's 2. Hand sausage, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
3, my bad. I miscounted.
3 out of 18. Let me see something.
No. This was it before. That's why she's in the after, right?
Let's see. Tossing a coin. I was trying to show you one so we don't have to draw it. Let me see if I can figure it out. Okay. Okay. Let's look at this one on the top. These are example of tacos. You have crunchy tacos and you have soft tacos,
Love
right?
crunchy tacos.
Okay. What are my toppings or my stuffing or what is it the taco of? Beef, chicken, fish, beef, chicken, fish. You have crunchy tacos and soft tacos. Make sense? Okay. The question is, what is the probability of getting a crunchy chicken taco? What is the probability? Probability is always written as a fraction. If you give me an answer of a single digit number, You are technically wrong.
1 out of 6.
So how many are getting crunchy tacos, chicken?
Of 6.
1 out of a total of 6.
Why did you say
Yeah, why did you search soft chicken?
Because that's not what you want.
She's pointing out what you don't want.
Right, obviously I want the crunchy chicken. I was just
You want crunchy chicken?
you know I don't know why I did that.
Like, what is your dog want?
Okay, what's the probability of getting a beef taco?
2 out of 6?
Gotta write them as fraction, kids. You gotta write them as fractions. On the map, I don't want you to get it wrong because you didn't write it as a fraction. Beef is, there's 2 beefs. So 2 out of 6. Does that make sense? Hopefully. All right. Here we go. Let's go here to page 12, which is our last page.
Wait, and then we're done with the packet? No.
You tell me what else do we have to do.
3.
All right.
You have the meter readers.
Hey, you're the one who got us a test tomorrow, buddy.
Okay. Let's look at this slide here. Okay. Okay. Now, I don't want to write it down, but I wanted to show you, let's see, visually show you this. Okay, please ignore the ads. Okay, so they love to give you these. They love to give you these because it's something that you understand of flipping a coin. How many choices when you flip a coin?
Heads or tails?
Heads or tails. So here we have heads or tails. So this is our first toss. Our first toss has heads or tails, right? But you're going to toss it 3 times. So our first toss is heads or tails. Our second toss is also heads or tails, or heads or tails down here, right? And then our third toss would be heads, tails, so on and so forth. Okay, do you guys see this? Let's take a moment to appreciate this, because I didn't have you create it. So take a moment to understand what's happening, though. If not, we do have to create it. Okay, so first toss, heads or tails. So if I get heads on the first one, what are my options on the second toss? Heads or tails, right? And then what if I get heads on the first one, tails on the second one? What's my options on my third one? Heads or tails. Do you see it? Do you follow along, Daniel? Right here, right here, right here? Okay. Now, what does this mean, outcomes?
Like, every toss, like, what were the results?
Outcomes.
I like that. The outcomes, the results. So these are the results. They spell it out for you, right? Well, they abbreviate it. So this line, this line that you see right here, that I highlighted in yellow, is heads, 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 and they wrote it out for us. Okay. Now here, you know, what combination did I get there? Tails, heads, tails. So what did you land on here? What did you land on your second toss? Heads. Okay. What did you land on your third toss? Tails. So do you understand how to read this? Because, good news, I think they won't have you draw one. They'll have you read one. They'll have you read one. So here you are. You have to read this. Okay. So, Emmanuel, I know we're all focused. We're so focused. So focused. What's the probability? Actually, wait. How many total outcomes are there?
Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yep, 8. Right? Basically your ends. Okay, what's the probability that on your second toss, that's Vanessa's, it lands on heads? What's the probability that on your second toss you land on heads?
2 out of 8.
Okay, so second toss is a head, right? That's first. That's second. That's third, right? Is that a second head? Yes. Here?
Yeah.
Yes. So those of you who said 2, I'm done counting?
No.
4 8.
tails, tail. Oh, here's a second head. And there's a second head.
There's 2 heads.
But I'm just looking at the second one. So you, again, I didn't have you draw this, but now you have to learn how to read it. So if this would be 1 point and this would be worth a lot more points because you're looking for your second one to be heads. So this would be 4 out of 8, which is?
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
Is it recording? Because like it's not flashing.
When the teacher starts writing on the board, it freezes the image. It is still recording, but it is recording what's on my Elmo. It's not recording this. So
they're just looking at a paper?
right, unfortunately. So yeah, I remember recording my voice. It's hard for you to, obviously, if you're absent, to see what I'm doing, but it is what it is. Unless you want me to actually do it on paper, then that means you're doing it on paper. Okay, what's the probability that on your third toss, you get tails on the third toss? What's the probability on the third toss you get? Let me erase this.
4.
Third toss is a tail. Third toss is a tail.
4 out of 8.
Oh, another 4 out of 8.
How are you getting 3? You can't see the one that comes here. I mean, look.
Right there. Right there.
Yeah, you literally said 3.
All right. Fine. What's the probability that the first toss is tails?
1 out of 8. Yeah, 1 out of 8.
Wait, what? Oh.
Why are you hiding, Miss?
4 out of 3.
Your first toss lands on tails.
1 out of 8.
Out of 8.
Or no, 2 out of 8, 2 out of 8, 2 out of 8.
I knew that. It was
Are
one
any
half.
of
I knew
these
that. I knew
tails
that.
first? Nope.
Oh, I thought you were saying that I was wrong. I was like, oh.
Okay. Last one. The hardest question of the day.
Are you sure about that? I'm predicting it's
Okay.
3 out of 8.
I know, right? What's the probability that you will get?
3 out of 8.
Ooh.
What is this? What is this?
9 plus least 2. Oh, at least 2. 2 heads.
What's the probability that you will get at least 2 heads?
2. 4 out of 8.
4. 4. No. 4.
4. It's 4.
At least 2 cabezas.
Four.
Okay.
So where did the dick come from?
Yeah. At least 2. Does that mean it could be more than 2? At least 2 heads. How many does this one have?
3.
How many does this one have?
2.
This one?
2.
This one?
1.
This one?
Oh.
Did I say anything about the order? No, I just said at least 2, which means it could have 3. You see how it could be a hard question?
Could be.
Could be. Yeah. But of course, no one in this classroom would. All right. Are we okay with all this?
It's alright.
Guess you can say that.
All right. What are the 5 points of box and whisker plot?
Oh, please.
Okay. Say it out loud. The first one.
Minimum.
Rank
Lower quartile.
Median. Upper quartile. Maximum.
Eli, be quiet.
Everyone except for Eli, because he just said it.
I'll rewind the recording if I didn't hear your voice and you don't get Jolly Rancher. All right.
Why is my elbow ripped?
Okay, Sam says that we still have to do page.
I didn't say that.
Why you say that?
Okay,
Catch me outside.
just do page 3.
Sam, you're getting
Like really red.
I know, I was scratching it. I don't know why it's so red.
Because you were scratching
Well,
it.
no,
Wow.
I don't know
Wow.
why it was itching. No, I don't know why it was itching. My elbow never itches.
That's like.
There's some
That's what
people with no arms.
If somebody picks you there, like that's.
Yeah, you know, Sam changed my mind.
Huh?
Okay, so you have 8 minutes
And what page?
Ocho minutos.
Sam changed his mind because it was early day.
Just like it was the other day.
Yeah, that's why we're done with this one. I was gonna introduce something new, but